First, open Google Chrome and search for Income Tax Refund Status. You'll see a bunch of results, but we're looking for the official link. Now, click on the official Income Tax Department link. This will take you directly to the government portal. Once you are on the portal, click the profile icon and select Login. Enter your PAN as your user ID. Click Continue. Then enter your password to complete the login. After logging in, you'll see the income tax return page. Now, navigate by clicking the dashboard link at the top to go to the home page. On the home page, your personal details will be visible. Scroll down and find the View ITR Status section. Click on it to view all the details related to your income tax return and refund status. And that's it. You've successfully checked your income tax refund status online using just your Chrome browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and finance guides. See you in the next one.